So yeah, so let's write the boilerplate first. Yes. So enums, like we saw, are just Rust data structures that represent a data type with more than one variant. Enums can perform the same operations that a struct can, but they use less memory and fewer lines of code to write. So let's write an example similar to what we wrote before. So we have a enum called vehicle that can take three different types, and let's in our main function let's construct this. Oh, and so we have covered all different possibilities that a vehicle can be. A vehicle can be bicycle, motorcycle, or a car, which is all fine. Now let's add some print line statements here. Which is also fine. Now there is something else to enum, which is a variant has not been okay, so which is fine. There's something else to enums in Rust, and that is that enums can hold a specific kind of data with them. They're not just, you know, um, types. They can be types, and they can have some data associated with them. And to do that, what you have to do is you need to define the kind of data that they hold while defining the types itself. So a car, let's say, can have the color of the car with it, and let's say a motorcycle can also have a color which is a string, and a bicycle can also have a color which is a string. And now when you construct a car, you need to give it a string. Now since this is Rust, you can do a to owned, which would basically change it from being a string slice into a proper owned string, and that is something we can look into when we discuss ownership in Rust. But for now, let's just say we add a to own method or a to string method, and we get a string in our stack. Now when we match it, this also takes the output with it, and same with this, and same with the other one. And the same thing over there. Now, never used. Oh, okay. And these messages don't make sense, I know. And now if you run this program, you will get the correct output. I have 2 tires and you need to run me. I have red color. So okay, English isn't my first language. This is crazy.